So hello students, welcome to the next video. So in this video we will look the topic or the subject that is called as power electronics and circuit drives. Okay, so let's start with the outline of this slide. Okay, so first is the we will see the introduction to the power electronics, some examples, power semiconductor devices, diodes, thyristors, different types of thyristor, power transistor, control characteristics, types of power electronic circuits, peripheral effect applications, and etc. etc. We will look in detail each and every topic, okay, in this topic. Okay, so so what do you mean by power electronics? Okay, so what do you mean by power electronics? Okay, so what do you mean by power electronics? A field of electrical engineering. Total concept, madam. किती टोटल 200 किती 280 काहीतरी किती 238 10 मिनिटं मी पण रेकॉर्डच करतो पॉज केले फक्त दाखवू हे बघून या बघून या पॉजच केले Okay, so the what is power electronics? So it is a field of electrical engineering that deals with the application of power semiconductors. Okay, so we will be using different types of semiconductors in this subject. Okay, which so these devices, power electronics, semiconductor devices are used for controlling and conversion of electrical power. Means we will be using this power electronics circuits or a semiconductor devices for controlling and conversion of electrical power. Okay, so see this diagram. So this diagram is shown here. So input side is we can take AC, DC, and unregulated supply.
टोटल 25 पैकी किती दिली येणार का लिहून टोटल पैकी 25 किती पैकी काय दिलं
Hello friends. So in this session we will discuss the questions and answers in yourself. Listen. Our first question was asked in one of the exam. The question was describe the change in the output line of the results action. Describe the change in the output line of the results action. Ask God for one someone who will the answer of the question is the author's life changed irreversibly after his accident. The accident also came that so great that
decide that the focus on which should be after hospitalization, he came search for the lady. As he entered the doctor's clinic, he was not thinking of finding accepting the doctor's leave that finished the and that in a couple of hours he would collapse to Anish back to life. So he shifted Anish immediately to a big hospital. The little surgeon there examined him and decided to provide him. Alone he was waiting outside the operation theatre and freedom and looking continuously, breathing by thoughts like what stage is he going to be after the surgery? Is he going to arrive? Is he going to be normal? Is he going to be again? Is he going to walk or be see how to use the wheelchair and he ran to his friends. That night also very good for him and his family that the movie still struggles to be. There are no words to express his grief. He was thinking that why this life and the product itself will this or that of his condition unchanged. He used to try things, he try all kinds of techniques, but nothing actually better his condition. It feels better comparing. For because the youth was they could understand why the university and their son departed in way.
Light is there, you want light गिरी
This question was asked what the marketing is one of the project data is the change in the workers like application and the workers like change the legacy application and the accident also related to the time that was workers found to be after hospitalization, he said, workers are managing and mental care opportunity or not in the performance to get back. The doctor reviewed the any screening that only revealed and that in the program was true for them. He wanted to start life, so he shifted immediately to a living hospital and the surgeon there immediately and decided to go for surgery. However, he was very outside the operation theater at 30 a.m. continuously, many white thoughts like what stage is going to be after the surgery, is going to be alive, is going to be normal, is going to the way, is going to walk properly, he have to use the wheelchair, read his minds. That kind of very good for him and his family. That the memory colors would be no words that we express his grief. He was thinking that I will describe it as the common himself. He only showed that afterwards of hospitalization, his condition changed, he died within himself. They tried all kinds of treatment and techniques, but nothing actually better his condition is going to like that as they need. But the author was really lost. They could reach their life and as their dear son departed in forever. This question was asked for 2 marks. Next question was asked for 2 marks in written comprehension exam. Question was explain the importance of wearing helmet while riding a two-wheeler. Explain the importance of wearing helmet while riding a two-wheeler. Wearing a helmet is one of the safety measures one should follow while riding a bike or two-wheeler. Many road accidents cause serious injuries like head or brain damage or deaths. It is very necessary to wear a helmet to prevent such physical harm as it reduces protection. It reduces the chances of serious brain injury as it protects our head of hard surface during the accident. It also protects our eyes from dust or physical damage. For a case, even falls down, thus helmet is important to save our life as we will change the next. Next question was asked for describe the memory of the that predicted value in the mind of the child. Describe the memory of that predicted value in the mind of the child. When Anish's father came to know his accident, he quickly went to the accident spot. After the accident, Anish was lying unconscious on the road and the light was all on the side of the road. His father took him to the nearby hospital. Urgency the eyes of the nurse said by the doctor to call him. He felt a surge of anxiety as he entered the doctor's clinic. The doctor told him, his father, that Anish brain had been severely injured and he would collapse in a couple of hours. However, he was not ready to accept that, so he shifted Anish immediately to the hospital. The neurosurgeon then examined him and decided to do more surgery. Although he was very outside the operation theater, he had 2:30 a.m. immediately while thoughts waiting, while thoughts right in hot stage, he is doing to the after surgery, he is doing to the eye, he is doing to the normal, he is again, he is doing to walk or push up, he is doing the wheelchair, then he is fine. After the surgery, the doctor told him that he still on work to be taken care of to be taken. 15. Manish could be taken to 3. You are then sent to the special to be 24. Our special nurses to take care of the tubes were inserted in his body to increase free ventilation. The right side of the physical was cut open and kept in the abdomen for future use. The only movements in his body were that on his head, which moved right and left, and his eye was taken by the body himself. Next question was asked for Pramani. Similar to the question, how did Anish suffer after the accident? After the accident, Anish had severely injured his brain. After the surgery, the doctor said that he was capable to be there normal person could be activity. Anish could be created only the tubes were inserted in his body to create the feeding ventilation. The right side of his skull and out open and yet leave the abdomen partially. Only his head and eye walls could move. He was taken home after months of hospitalization because of OCS. His hands and legs were in a state of fracture. He remained in his condition for 2 years. After 4.5 years, he developed disease difficulty and collapsed. His intended life ended. This question was last day, someone to complete the exam for Corona. Another important question is express your views or ideas on road safety. Life is precious, so we should take care of road safety. We should always follow the traffic rules. We should always be a disciplined driver. Whether it is a longer long distance ride or short distance ride, it is our responsibility to hospitalize the person who may be different from the road we should engage. We should create awareness in the society about road safety. We should not medical help to the injured person. Drive your vehicles within the speed limits. Don't bring your own things by driving. For the road safety views. So today we have discussed the questions asked in university exam. Mostly the broad question was asked till now in university exam. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is the input side, input source, that is we can give this type of input, that is we can give AC input, DC input, or unregulated inputs to the power electronics converters. Okay, so here in power electronics converters, you can convert this AC into DC, DC into AC, or unregulated into a pure regulated form supply. Okay, so these are the power electronics devices which we will be looking in the future videos. Okay, so we have also a sensor connected here. Okay, sensor connected, so it will sense the output and it will generate a negative feedback, and it will provide a reference, means it will provide a reference signal. Let's suppose I'm giving a 10 volt AC supply here. Okay, so the power electronics converter will operate on that 10 volt supply, and that sensor will sense that 10 volt supply. Okay, and let's suppose the 10 volt is not, it is not exactly 10 volt, it is around 9 volt. Okay, but we have given 10 volt, but it is, we are getting 9 volt. So what will happen? So there is a difference of 1 volt. So that 1 volt 1 volt supply will be sensed by this sensor, and it is given to the controller according to the reference value set, and that 1 volt difference will be isolated by using the operation. And at the output side we are going to connect the load, different inductive, resistive, capacitive, or combination of these three in the load side. Okay, so the output can be of AC type and DC type. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, so power electronics converter is the main part actually. Okay, so we will be using some devices here to convert that AC into DC, DC into AC, and for further operation. Okay, now you can see this, these are the panels. Okay, solar panels here. Okay, so by using some electronic circuits, power electronic circuits, you can convert that. As you know that solar has an output of DC. Okay, but our major loads are AC, and what we have to do, we have to convert that AC into DC, oh sorry, DC into AC. So for converting that DC into AC, we will be needing some power electronic circuit. Okay, power electronics drives or power electronics equipment, so that we can convert that DC into AC. So here you can see this is the DC source, means this is the panel, and we are using a power electronic circuit here inside. Inside we have inverter, and that with the help of such devices you can convert that convert that DC into AC, and we will provide that AC to a power grid. Okay, so these are the examples. Now you can see here in the left side is the wind. Okay, wind structure. Okay, so in this structure also we are going to convert that the output of this wind power plant is DC. So you can store that DC also, or you can convert that DC into AC. For that conversion only we are going to study this subject. Okay, power electronics and circuit diagram. So this is also an example of power electronics. Okay, so here you can see this is the wind turbine. Okay, with the help of wind it generates electricity in the form of DC, and here is the power electronics, the circuit means chamber here. In this chamber the AC DC is converted into AC, and it is then fed to the grid. Okay, now the power electronics means this power electronics are divided, means there are some specialization, means like this electronics. What do you mean by electronics? In electronics we will be saying solid state devices. What is solid state devices? Mean the actual devices which we are going to use in the power electronics, like MOSFET, relays, diodes, etc, etc. Okay, and we will see the combination of those in the a common circuit. Okay, so solid state devices comes under the electronics part. Then we have a control. So what in control, steady state and dynamic characteristics. We will study the by implementing the solid state devices in the control circuit. Then what we will see the behavior. We will see how the system behaves by using this electronic circuit. So the behavior can be a steady state. Steady states means it does not fluctuate much, and we will see the dynamic characteristics also, means the system changes its value according to the input. Okay, so we will see this both the characteristics in the control circuits. Then we have power, static and rotating power equipment. So in power it comes means the motoring, rotating options are there. So these are the various terms which you will be seeing in the power circuit. So this is the power triangle. Okay, you can also call it a power triangle. Control, analog, digital. Then the control means this control signal and analog in the form of analog and digital is given to the power equipment. Okay, so that power equipment behaves and we have connected here a electronic circuit drives which drives the electronic circuit. Then we have various types of semiconducting devices. So the basic, so the most basic type of power semiconductor is the diodes. Okay, power diodes. So it has a very good advantage in our semiconductor or in power electronics. So it can be of uncontrolled turn on and off device. Means you can, if you want to flow a current in a one direction only, okay, from here to here only, then what will if and we do not want that current back. Okay, we do not current flow to back again on the same path, so we will use this power diodes. Okay, so that diode helps in the backward flow of the current. So it can be uncontrolled, they can be uncontrolled manner, in controlled manner, and we can turn on and off device this power diodes. Then we have controlled turn, means these are uncontrolled. Okay, if you increase the power through them it will increase its mean the heating of the power diode increases, and at one point it will burn out. Okay, so it is uncontrolled, you cannot control these devices, you have to just insert this diodes in a circuit. So opposite to that is a controlled turn off characteristic. So these are transistors. Okay, so these are transistors, means you can control these devices, you can control the supply through them, then you can use that diode, the transistor in a circuit. So the devices, the transistor comes under this are BJT, so bipolar junction transistor. So at the end there are transistor. Okay, so MOSFET, GTO, SITH, IGBT, SIT, MCT. Okay, so you can see you will be seeing BJT, MOSFET, GTO, IGBT very commonly in the future videos. Okay, so these are the switching devices. So you may ask, where are these devices used? Where are these transistors are used? So as I said, if I want to convert that a particular DC into AC, so how can I convert? So with the help of these devices, okay, I can use these devices to convert that DC into AC by switching on and off. Okay, if I set a switching time to them, means it should turn on for 1 second, it should turn on for 1 second, turn off for 1 second, on off. You can give the pulses to these devices so that it will generate a pure AC by using the DC. Okay, then we have controlled turn on and uncontrolled turn on. Means controlled turn, you can turn on this device, but you cannot turn off. Means it is uncontrolled turn off. So it is called as thyristors. Okay, so what comes under thyristor is the SCR. So what is SCR? Silicon controlled rectifier. Okay, silicon controlled rectifier. We will see all this in the further videos. So let's start with the power diodes. So these diodes, okay, so diodes, it looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. So these diodes are called as general purpose diodes. Okay, so it can be its rating can goes up to 600 volts or 4500 ampere. Okay, 6000 volt and 4500 ampere. Okay, it has also a high reverse recovery time, 25 microseconds or up to 1 kilohertz. Okay, so means what, you can increase the voltage up to 6000, increase the current up to 4500, and you can reverse the time, means in the reverse, in the negative manner, in the opposite, means in the negative manner, how much time you can use this diode. It is up to 25 microsecond. Okay, so it is used in low speed applications, like rectifiers and converters. There are two types: studs or stud mounted types, and second one is the disc press pack and hockey puck type. Okay, so we will look this. So in short, there its structure is like this. So means when you flow the current through this in this direction, so it will comes out in the same direction. But if that same current, if by mistakenly or by any kind of fault, so what will happen, the current will, if the current tries to try move back in the same, from the same path but in the backward direction, so this diode will not allow. Okay, see, the diode will not allow, and it will stay up to 25 microsecond, and then it will burn out. So this is the power diodes. Okay, then it has a high speed fast recovery diodes. Okay, the second one is the fast recovery diode. It has a high speed fast recovery diode, 600 volt, 1100 ampere. It has a reverse recovery time. It can go from 0.1 to 5 microsecond. High frequency switching of power converter means, if the frequency means when the this MOSFET, GTO, and other switching devices, when we are using for conversion process, so it can switch very rapidly. Okay, in within milliseconds that switches. So that in that manner only we are going to convert that DC into AC, right? So it works under very high frequency switching used in low application like choppers and inverters. Then we have Schottky diodes. So what is Schottky diodes? It is used on low on state voltage. It has a low on state voltage and very small recovery time. 100 volt, 300 ampere. PN junction is eliminated. Means its structure is in that PN junction is eliminated by the further use. Metal is anode and semiconductor is cathode. Okay. Have high frequency, switching frequency. Drift layer is absent. On state losses are very low. Okay. Then this is the structure of power diode. So there are actually there are actually two terminals, anode and cathode. So these are all the semiconductors. Okay. So this N minus, N plus, P plus are the semiconducting layers. Okay. Then these are the semiconductor layers used in this manner. Okay. So so these are the various terms. So we will look all this in the future video, that how the power diode works, and these are the characteristics, means how the forward conduction means forward. This is the amount of forward conduction drop, means this very low amount of drop, but the reverse leakage current is very, means you can see the reverse leakage current is very small, but the breakdowns occurs very constantly. Okay, we will see in the future video. These are the switching characteristics, mean how the, if the switch, if the GTO or IGBT or a MOSFET is switching, then how this graph looks like. Okay, then what are the applications of power diode? It is used in uncontrolled rectifier, chopper, inverter, controls converter. Chopper means it is a DC to DC converter. Okay, so we need this. We need some electronics or switching devices. Commutating circuits for SCR, half control converter, and half bridge inverters. These are the applications of power semiconductor switching devices. Okay, so I hope you understand this today's video. If you have any kind of doubt in the today's video, you can contact me. So thank you for watching.